We ran the exact same Google Ads strategy for 3 different carpet cleaning companies across the United States. The results? Drastically different. Same service, same offer, same setup, but one business crushed it and another barely moved. These were 3 different carpet cleaning companies in different locations. Company 1 was in Oregon, Company 2 was in Tennessee, and Company 3 was in California. All launched within the same week, and here's what happened next. Company 1 in Oregon generated 10 conversions at around $106 per lead. Company 2 in Tennessee got just 3 conversions at a much higher cost of $163 per lead. But Company 3 in California, they pulled in 32 conversions at just $44 per lead. Same strategy, completely different outcomes. So what changed? Because it wasn't the ads, it wasn't the landing page, and it wasn't the budget. It was the market. Google Ads performance is heavily driven by location, more than most cleaning business owners realize. Some areas have high demand and lower costs, others are more competitive or just slower. California had strong demand and volume, Oregon was balanced but more competitive, and parts of Tennessee, lower demand, higher costs. This is where a lot of carpet cleaning businesses get stuck. When ads don't work, they assume something is broken, but sometimes nothing's broken. You're just in a tougher market. If you're running Google Ads for your carpet cleaning business and not seeing results, it's not always your keywords. It's not always your website. You need to understand your local demand, your competition, and how people actually search in your area, because the same strategy can give you completely different results depending on where you are. And one other tip, time can solve some of these problems. An older, more mature account that's been running for longer will often outperform a new account. So if you're just getting started in a tough market, you have an uphill battle ahead of you. But if you stick with it, you can succeed long term, even if at first you encounter high cost per lead. Stick with it at least 90 days before determining whether this campaign is going to work for you. And honestly, 6 months to 12 months could serve you even better if you have the stamina. If you need help with Google Ads for your carpet cleaning business, reach out to 𝘀𝗲𝗿𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏